Class 10 session 22-23 subject mathematics standard sample question paper. So here time allotted for this is like 3 hours. Okay, this question paper has like 5 sections A to E. Section A has 20 MCQs carrying 1 mark each. Now I'll explain section A. In this video I'll explain section A, which carries like 20 marks. Now see, directly I'll go for the section A. The first question is, let A and B are two positive integers. A and B are two positive integers such that A value is P cube power 4 and B is P square Q cube, where P and Q are prime numbers. If HCF of AB means HCF of these two numbers is written in the form of P power M Q power N. So with the, after finding HCF, I'll get the values of M and N. Now see, HCF of A and B, these two numbers, here P power 3, P power 2, so common factor will be P power 2, Q power 4, Q power 3, common will be like Q power 3. So HCF is P square Q cube, but they told P power M Q power N. So on comparing, I'll get the values of M as 2 and N I'll get as 3. M is 2, N is 3. Now LCM of A comma B is P power R and Q power S. Now here LCM is, see, while finding LCM, P cube Q power 4 into P square into Q cube, we'll take the highest one, P power 3 P power 2. So here P power 3 and here Q power 4 Q power 3, so here Q power 4. So here if I'll compare, I'll get the value of R as 3 and S as 4. R value is 3, S value is 4. Now see, they ask us the value of M plus N into R plus S. M is 2 plus 3 into R value is 3 plus 4. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7. So 5 times 7, 5 times 7, here you will get the value as like 35. 5 times 7 is 35. So the correct option is here C. The correct option is C. In the same way, the second question, see, I'll simplify here. Let P be a prime number, the quadratic equation having its roots as a factor of P. See, you can factorize, but here the values are like in terms of P. So for factorization, it will be a little bit tough. So my advice is, like, in place of X, if you'll substitute the value of X as P, and if you'll get the answer 0, it is a factor. So substitute in place of X, like first one, X square minus Px plus P. So equals 0. In place of X, substitute P square minus P into P plus P equals 0. So P square minus P times P is P square plus P equals 0. P square P equals 0. So option A is not the correct answer. I'll substitute in B. So B is like X square minus P plus 1 into X plus P equals 0. So in place of X, just substitute P square minus P plus 1 into P plus P equals 0. So here P square minus P into P minus P square, minus into plus minus 1 into P is minus P plus P. P square minus P plus P. So here I got 0. So the correct option is here B. If you want, you can check and substitute in the C and D. See, C option was X square plus P plus 1 into X plus P. So in place of X, I'll substitute P square, P plus 1 into P plus P. So P square, P times P is P square, 1 into P plus P. So you are getting 2P square 2P. Here you are not getting equal to 0. So if you'll get equal to 0, it's a factor. So here also it is not a factor, here also it is not a factor. If you want, you can check the last one also. So here in place of x, p square minus p into p plus p plus 1. So p square, p times p is p square plus p plus 1. So here also you are not getting 0, therefore it is not a factor. So factor as p, the correct option is B. Next question. If alpha plus beta, alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial, like here px square, the polynomial is p x square minus 2x plus 3p. If alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, they gave the condition alpha plus beta equals alpha beta. Alpha plus beta formula is minus b by a equals c by a. If you want, you can cancel a and a. Now if you compare this equation with the standard one, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, the value of a is p, b is minus 2 and c is 3p. C is 3p. So now minus of b, b is minus 2, c is 3p. So minus of minus plus 2 equals 3p. So the value of p is 2 by 3. So the correct option is B. Next question. If the system of linear equations, here see this fourth one. One equation is 3x plus y equals 1. 2k minus 1 into x, k minus 1 into y equals 2k plus 1. See, inconsistent. Inconsistent means the lines are parallel and we need to find the value of k, because for parallel lines we will not get a solution, so the lines are inconsistent. So inconsistent, the lines are parallel. Condition for parallel lines is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and it is not equal to c1 by c2. So here the coefficient of, in this one second, the coefficient of x3 by 2k minus 1, here 1, the coefficient of y is 1 by k minus 1. If you simplify, here you will get the value of k. Cross multiply 3 times k minus 1, 1 into 2k minus 1. So here 3k minus 3 equals 2k minus 1. If you simplify further, here you will get the value of 3k minus 2k minus 1 plus 3. So k equals 2. So the value of k is 2. The correct option is D. If the vertices of a parallelogram PQRS taken in order are the vertices of a parallelogram. So here see, these are the vertices of a parallelogram P, Q, R, S. So the value of P is 3, 4, Q minus 2, 3, minus 3, minus 2, and we need to find the fourth vertex. So fourth vertex I will consider it as A, B. Now I need to find the fourth vertex S. So here I'll use the property that diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. So as the diagonals bisect each other, midpoint of PQ, P is 3, 4, sorry, midpoint of PR, diagonal is PR, minus 3, minus 2, and is equal to midpoint of Q, minus 2, 3, and S, which I consider as A, B. So here we need to find the fourth vertex. Now midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula for midpoint. So here this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So 3 minus 3 by 2, 4 minus 2 by 2 equals here minus 2 plus a by 2, 3 plus b by 2, because x1 y1 x2 y2. Now this value is like 0 by 2, 2 by 2, and minus 2 plus a by 2, 3 plus b by 2. Now here I'll equate abscissa with abscissa, abscissa and abscissa, and ordinate with ordinate. So if I'll equate, now see here 0 by 2 is minus 2 plus a by 2, 2 cancel. So 0 equals minus 2 plus a, so a value is 2, a value is 2. So see, directly you can select the option, the correct option will be C, because in a and b you got already a as 2, but if you want you can equate and check the other value. So now see 3 plus b by 2 is 2 by 2, 2 cancel. So 3 plus b equals 2, b equals 2 minus 3, so the value of b is minus 1. So the fourth vertex which you consider, so that is 2 comma minus 1, 2 minus 1. The correct option is C. So here sixth one, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. If they are similar, corresponding sides are like proportional. AB by PQ equals BC by QR equals AC by PR. See, they gave AB by PQ, AB square by PQ square is 4 by 9. So you can write this value like AB by PQ. AB by PQ whole square is 4 by 9, you can write. You can further you can simplify AB by PQ is root 4 by 9 and AB by PQ is 2 by 3. Now see here altitudes AM and PN are the altitudes. So see, as the altitudes, I'll tell one formula, see like sides, altitudes, medians, perimeter, angle bisectors. All of this will be in the same ratio. Now the question is, the sides are in the ratio 2:3. So the altitudes also will be in the ratio 2:3. The correct option is D. But how, if it will come for like 2 marks, how to prove that altitudes and sides are in the same ratio? Take these two triangles, triangle ABM, triangle PQN. See, as the triangles are similar, the big triangles, angle B equals angle Q, CP, ST, corresponding parts of similar triangles, and angle AMB equals angle PNQ, reason is altitudes 90 degrees. See, by angle corollary or similarity, ABM is similar to PQN. Now if you write sides proportional for these two, AB by PQ, BM by QN, AM by PN. Now if you observe, see, sides and altitudes, they will be in the same ratio. So the correct option here is D. But you can remember sides, altitudes, medians, perimeter, angle bisector, these all will be in the same ratio. See, seventh MCQ, it is based on the table. So see, if you remember the sine values, sine, cos, tan, sine theta, standard degrees are like 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So just sine, if you remember the three values, you'll get like very easily. Here 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. and cos values just write reciprocal, not reciprocal, just from the reverse order. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. And sin by cos, if you'll do, you'll get tan. 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 2 to cancel, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, 1. 2 to cancel, root 3. 1 by 0, not defined. So, and cot theta, you can write again in reverse, not defined. Root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Okay, next one. In sec theta is reciprocal of cos, because cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, sec is hypotenuse by adjacent. So reciprocal of cos is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Root 2 by 1, 2 by 1. Here it is 0 by 1. If you write reciprocal, it is not defined. Next, cosec theta, just write from reverse in sec values. See, sin you remember, like cos you'll get in reverse, tan you got it by sin by cos, and cot reverse. Sec you got it, cosec just write reverse, not defined. 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. Now in the question here, x tan theta, tan 60, cos 60, sin 60, cot 60. If you remember the values directly, you substitute. X tan 60 is root 3 here. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. And cot 60 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Now here see, x root 3 by 2, and here root 3 cancel. So you are left with 1 by 2. Now here 2 and 2 also cancel. So root 3 x equals 1. X equals 1 by root 3. So now 1 by root 3 cos 30 is not 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Sin 30 1 by 2. Cot 30 is root 3. But you got 1 by root 3, so the correct option is tan 30. See here you can simplify directly also, like see you got a x root 3 into 1 by 2. Here root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3. Instead of cancelling like this root 3, if you cancel root 3, 2, directly you will get x equals 1 by root 3, which is nothing but tan 30. In this way you can simplify this one. Now here sin theta plus cos theta is root 2. Sin theta plus cos theta value is root 2. Now we need to find tan plus cot. Tan theta plus cot theta. Now see, tan theta I'll write in terms of like sin and cos, so I'll get sin by cos. Cot theta I can write as cos by sin. So here LCM is cos theta, sin theta. So if you'll simplify this, here we have already cos, so sin if I'll multiply sin square theta. Here already I have sin, so cos if I'll multiply cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 by cos theta sin theta. Now see, 1 by cos theta sin theta. So I need the value of cos theta and sin theta. That I'll get here by squaring on like both sides. Squaring on both the sides. So here sin theta plus cos theta whole square equals root 2 whole square. So sin theta plus cos theta, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 sin theta cos theta equals 2, because square and root cancel, 2. Now sin square plus cos square is 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is 2. So 2 sin theta cos theta is 2 minus 1. So 2 sin theta cos theta is 1. So sin theta cos theta value is 1 by 2. Is 1 by 2. Now here 1 by sin theta cos theta value is 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 1 by 2. 1 into 2 by 1. So the answer is 2. So the correct option is B. Ninth question. See here, which of the following is true? In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC. AE is A units, EC is B, DE is X, BC is Y. See, when it is parallel, we'll get an idea of applying BPT, but when they'll ask about DE and BC, BPT is like AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, but in the problem if you'll get this side DE and BC, prove this small triangle and the big triangle similar. Now see triangle AED, triangle ACB, angle A is common in both, common angle, and angle AED equals angle ACB. Reason is like corresponding angles because they told the lines are parallel. So triangle AED is similar to triangle ACB. AED is similar to ACB. Now if I write sides proportional, AE by AC, ED by CB, AD by AB. Okay, AE is A, AC, the total value will be A plus B, ED is X, and BC is Y. So this is the answer because we don't have AD and AB values. So here see, X equals AY by A plus B. Correct option is C. Cross multiply. AY by A plus B equals X. So the correct option is C. ABCD is a trapezium. Okay. ABCD is a trapezium. So AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. So here A, B, C, D. You take like that. And diagonals intersect at O. Diagonals intersect at O. And AD is 4. And AO by OC, they give all the sides. Now see here, these two vertically opposite angles, 1 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 4. So triangle AOD, triangle COB, angle 3 equals angle 4, interior, because these two lines are parallel, interior alternate angles, and angle 1 equals angle 2, vertically opposite angles. Now here AOD is similar to triangle COB, angle corollary or similarity. Now sides AO by CO, AO, CO, OD, OB, AD, CB, AD, CB. Now AO by OC or OD by OB, this value or this value, they gave 1 by 2 in the question. Clearly it is given 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equals AD value is 4. So we need to find the value of BC. So cross multiply. BC value is 8 centimeters. So the correct option is C. If two tangents inclined at an angle of 60 degrees, see two tangents are inclined at an angle of here 60 degrees and radius is 3 centimeters. So let the tangents be PA and PB. Then the length of each tangent. So we need to find, see both the tangents will be of equal length. So if we'll join OP, here the angle, because these two triangles will be congruent like OAP and OBP. So this angle will be 30. This also will be 30. So if I use trigonometry like theta, opposite, this is 90. So OP is hypotenuse if this is theta, opposite and adjacent. So because OP is hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent tan theta. Tan theta value is opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 degrees. Why 30? Because these two triangles are congruent, so angles will be equal, 60, 30, 30. So tan 30 is opposite is 3 centimeters and adjacent is x. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 is 3 by x. If you cross multiply, x equals 3 root 3 centimeters. So AP or BP, length of the tangents, is 3 root 3 centimeters. Here correct option is 3 root 3 centimeters. Next, 12th question. The area of a circle that can be inscribed in a square of 6 centimeters. Square of side 6 centimeters. The area is circle is inscribed, means inside a square. Now see, if the side is 6, so diameter will be 6 centimeters. So radius will be 3 centimeters. Radius is 3 centimeters. Then they are asking area of a circle, which is pi r square. Pi into 3 square. So 9 pi centimeter square. So the correct option is D. The sum of length plus breadth plus height of a cuboid is 6 root 3 centimeters. Length of its diagonal of a cuboid is 2 root 3 and diagonal formula is under root L square plus B square plus H square is 2 root 3. So we need to find total surface area. For that, the formula is total surface area of cuboid. So the formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. See, this problem is completely based on like 9th class identity, simple formula, that is A plus B plus C whole square. A plus B plus C whole square, that is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So here, like in place of A plus B, C, I'll replace with L plus B plus H whole square equals L square plus B square plus H square. 2 if I'll take common here, LB plus BH plus HL, which I need to find. This value I need to find. See, already L plus B plus H value is here 6 root 3 whole square. And L square plus B square plus H square value here we don't have directly, but if you do squaring on both sides, for this root L square plus B square plus H square whole square equals 2 root 3 whole square. So here square and root cancel. So you'll get L square plus B square plus H square is 2 square 4. 4 into 3, which is nothing but 12. So this value is here 12. Plus 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So this is 6 square 36 into 3 equals 12 plus 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So 36 into 3 is 108 minus 12 equals this value. For this I'll write TSA of a cuboid. TSA of a cuboid. So 108 minus 12 is 96. So 96 is total surface area. So total surface area of a cuboid is 96 centimeter square. So this problem is completely based on 9th class identity, A plus B plus C whole square. So the correct answer is C, 96 centimeter square. See, this question from statistics, question number 14, is slightly twisted because the difference between mode and median is 24. We need to find the difference between median and mean. So we know the relationship between mean, median and mode is mode equals 3 median minus 2 mean. Now see here, I can write this as mode equals 3 median, I can write as median, 1 median plus 2 median, because anyhow it's 3 median minus 2 mean. So why you wrote like this? Because see, mode 1 median I can send this side, because I have the value of mode minus median. Mode minus median. So here equals 2 median minus 2 mean. So mode minus median, this value is given 24, equals, in these two terms I can take 2 common, that is 2 median minus mean, because 2 I took common. Now 24 by 2 equals median minus mean. So the difference between median and mean is 12. The difference between median and mean is 12. The correct option is B. The number of revolutions made by a circular wheel of radius 0.25. Radius 0.25 meters. Okay, like in rolling a distance of 11 kilometers. See, total distance is 11 kilometers. So number of revolutions. Okay, number of revolutions is nothing but total distance, which is 11 kilometers, by distance covered by one revolution. Distance covered in one revolution. So total distance is 11 kilometers, but here dimensions are in terms of meters. So 11 into 1000 meters by distance covered in one revolution, that is nothing but circumference, that is 2 pi r. So 11 into 1000 by 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 0.25, that is 25 by 100, which is nothing but 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So here 11 into 1000 into 7 into 4, these two values reciprocal, by 2 into 22. 11 times 1, 11 times 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 and 2 cancel. So 11 into 7 is 7000. So 7000 revolution. The correct option is D. For the following distribution, the class 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, and the frequency is 10, 15, 12, 29. The sum of lower limits of median class, lower limit of median class plus lower limit of modal class. Lower limit of modal class. See, modal class is easy, like highest frequency is here 20. So the lower limit of this class, modal class, is 15. So lower limit of the modal class, you got it 15, because modal class will select by seeing the highest frequency 10, 15, 12, 29. So the modal class is 15 to 20. So lower limit of that value is like 15. But for finding the median class, compulsory we need to find cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency is nothing but here 10, 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 12 is 37, 37 plus 20 is 57, 57 plus 9 is 66. So total frequency is 66. 10, 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 12, 37, 37 plus 20, 57, 57 plus 9 is 66. So median class, this frequency we need to make it half, 66 by 2, which is 33. 33 we need to search in like CF, where we'll get. In the first class we'll get from 1 to 10. In the second class from 11 to 25. In the third class from 26 to 37. So this is your median class, because 33 will get between 26 to 37. So lower limit of the median class is 10. So the answer is 25. Lower limit of the median class is 10 and lower limit of the model class is 15. So 10 plus 15 is 25. The correct option is B. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. What is the probability that 6 will come up at least once? See, I already wrote the sample space. So 6 will come at least once. See, here we have 6 times and here 5 times, because this already we counted. So total 11 times. So probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So the correct option here is C. See, 6 will come upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times you are getting 6. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This again you should not count because already we counted. So 11 by 36. Correct option is C. 5 tan beta equals 4. So tan beta equals 4 by 5. So with the help of this logic, so here the question is, say 5 sin beta minus 2 cos beta by 5 sin beta plus 2 cos beta. Here you can see tan beta is there. With the help of Pythagoras theorem you can find, see here, opposite and adjacent, you can find hypotenuse, and you can find sin beta cos beta, you can substitute. But with the help of logic if you do, so here both numerator and denominator I'll divide with cos beta. 5 sin beta by cos beta minus 2 cos beta by cos beta. In the same way in the denominator, 5 sin beta by cos beta plus 2 cos beta by cos beta. Now your sin beta by cos beta is like 5 tan beta minus here 2. In the same way 5 tan beta plus 2. Because see, now easily you can substitute the value. 5 tan beta value is 4 by 5. So 5 into 4 by 5 minus 2. 5 into 4 by 5 plus 2. 5 I cancel, 5 I cancel. So you will get here like 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 by 4 plus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So the correct answer is 1 by 3. So the correct option is A. From 19 and 20 question based on like assertion and reason. So here see, statement A, assertion, that is if the product of two numbers is 5780, then HCF is 17 and LCM is 340. So LCM into HCF is product of two numbers. So if you multiply LCM 340 into 17, so I'll get 5780 only. So statement A, this is true, it is true. Now statement assertion is true. Reason, you see, HCF is always a factor of LCM. This is also true, but both statement and assertion and reason both are true, but reason is not the correct explanation for this assertion, because correct explanation here in reason they should give LCM into HCF equals A into B, which is product of two numbers. So here first option is both A, assertion and reason are true, but reason is the correct explanation. But here reason is not the correct explanation. Assertion and reason are true and reason is not the correct explanation. So correct option is here B. Next one. So 20th question. See, statement, if the coordinates of the midpoints of the side AB and AC of triangle ABC are D and E. So here they gave triangle ABC, D and E values are given 3, 5, -3, -3, and A, B, C, and BC distance is 20 units. If the coordinates of the midpoints. So see, as these are the midpoints, so first I'll find the distance of DE. under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So minus 3 x1 y1 x2 y2 minus 3 whole square minus 3 minus 5 whole square. So here minus 6 whole square minus 8 whole square, that is 36 plus 64, which is 100, which is nothing but 10. So here you got this DE distance is 10 units. So see, if the coordinates of the midpoints of the side AB and AC of triangle ABC, D and E is respectively, then BC is 20 units. So if these are the midpoints, a line joining the midpoint of two sides is parallel to third side and it will be half of it. So as this is 20 units and we got this as 10 units, so this is correct. Statement assertion is correct. Now reason, the line joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and equal to half of it. So according to midpoint theorem, a line joining the midpoint of two sides is parallel to third side and half of it also. So therefore assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is the correct explanation for assertion. So correct option is A. Correct option is A.